Chapter 6. The Ship and Its Men. We went out to the Hispaniola in a small boat. Mr. Arrow met us, and it was clear that he was the squirrel were very friendly. But things were not the same between Mr. Trelawney and the captain. Captain Smollett seemed angry with everybody on the board and told us why. I don't like this voyage, he told us. I don't like the men and I don't like my first officer. Perhaps, sir, you don't like the ship, said the squirrel angrily. I can say that, sir. I haven't yet sailed her, replied the captain. Seems a good ship. Possibly, sir. You don't like your employer either, said the squirrel. No, now, let's not argue, said Dr. Livesey. He turned to the captain. You say you don't like this voyage, he said. Please explain. I was employed, sir, said the captain, on secret orders and to sail the ship where the gentleman ordered me to sail it. Now I find every other man on this ship knows more than I do. I don't call that fair, do you? No, said Dr. Livesey. I don't. Next, said the captain. I learned we are going to look for a treasure. Hear it from my own crew. Now I don't like the treasure voyages at the best of times, and I certainly don't like them when they are secret. Also, captain is usually allowed to choose his own crew. That's true, agreed the doctor. And you don't like Mr. Arrow? No, sir, replied Captain Smollett. He's too friendly with the crew. Tell us what you want, said the doctor. First of all, the men are putting the powder and the weapons in the front of the ship, said the captain. Now you have a good place under the cabin. Why not put them there? Second, you are bringing four of your own people. Let them sleep here beside the cabin. What else? Asked Mr. Trelawney. One only thing, sir, said the captain. There's been too much talking already. I will tell you what I hear, that you have a map of an island, that there's crosses on the map to show where treasure is, and that the island is. Then he told us the exact place. I never told you that to anyone, cried the squirrel. The crew knows it, sir, replied the captain. I don't know who has the map, but I want it to be kept a secret, even from me and Mr. Arrow. If not, I will ask you to let me leave the ship. You want us to keep all this secret, said the doctor, and you want all the weapons and powder to be kept near us. In other words, your fear is a mutiny. I did not say that, sir, replied Captain Smollett. No, Captain could go to the sea believing that. And he went away. Truly, said the doctor, I believe you have managed to get two honest men on board. The man said, that man, and John Silver. Silver, yes, said the squirrel, but the captain acts nearly like a man, nor a good seaman. Well, said the doctor, we shall see. We were moving the weapons and the powder when Long John came aboard. The cook came up the stairs as quickly as a monkey and saw what we're doing. What's this? He wanted to know. My orders, says the captain coldly. You may go below, my men. The crew will want supper. Yes, sir, said the cook, and disappeared quickly. That's a good man, captain, said the doctor. That may be, sir, replied Captain Smollett.